Examples related to the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Note, when there is a certain given function, mostly in three variables, subject to the condition or related to equation of any surface, which can be written as equal to 0, then use Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers, provided third variable is difficult or it is not convertible to other two, though not mentioned. Though in the example it is not mentioned that you have to use the Lagrange's method, but looking at this particular situation, we will be sticking to the Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. ये समझा? This is for your reference. I am telling you that how we can go ahead with the application or implementation of the Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Noted down this hint. Completed. Note down the example. Find maximum and minimum distance of a point 3, 4, 12 from sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 using Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. LMUM means Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Noted down the question or example.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now just listen to what I'm saying as it is the first example, and then we construct the given function. In the example itself, it is mentioned that Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier is to be used. Moreover, we do not find any of the function available here so that it is converted, so that the third variable is converted to the other two, right? So that question is ruled out. Similarly, some other condition or relation or surface is given. What is that equation of the surface given by? X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and I can write this as x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 equal to 0. बराबर है? Equal to sign is given, so I can transfer it on the other side and generate equal to 0. So the subject to the condition or related to equation of a surface which can be expressed as equal to 0, this is fulfilled over here. So by observation, what it should be considered as? It should be considered as
Phi of x.
phi of xyz, because it is the surface or the condition related to the equation which is equated to 0. Now आपको क्या निकालने के लिए बोला है यहाँ पर?
Maximum and minimum distance.
Maximum and minimum distance of this point. अभी what is the distance? See, find maximum and minimum distance बोला है, means ultimately we will be finding out the maximum answer and minimum distance answer. We are not indulging into checking of whether maximum है less than 0 या greater than 0 minimum है. Got the difference between the maximum, minimum and Lagrange's method? हियर डायरेक्टली आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि यहाँ पर मुझे जो वैल्यू निकालना है वो कौन सी वैल्यू निकालना है, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालना है एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला इज x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z minus c the whole square. So distance of any point a from this particular point 3, 4 and 12 is your function small f of x, y, z. आपका lambda is undetermined multiplier, phi of x, y, z is identified as this. Construct a new function capital F which is a combination of small f and phi. Have you got the strategy of the solution or the flow of the solution?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So लिखो, let a of xyz be the given point on the sphere, then its distance from the point. क्योंकि मुझे distance निकालना है sphere से. मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कहां से निकालना है? स्पीयर से. बट कौन से पॉइंट से? 3, 4, 12 से. So let a of xyz be the given point on the sphere, then its distance from point 3, 4, 12 is obtained as d is under root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square plus z minus 12 the whole square. Right? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. That is the distance formula. But I said that upon to avoid the square root sign or complicated terms, we consider function as d square. So d square will be like this. Expand a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, y square minus 8y plus 16, z square minus 24z plus 144, x square plus y square plus z square. Collect them together. Minus 6x minus 8y minus 24z. 124 plus 16 plus 9 is giving you 169. But x square plus y square plus z square is 1. So 1 plus 169 कितना होता है? 170. And this is phi of xyz. So d square becomes 170 minus this. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड को कन्वर्ट कर देंगे सिंपलर फॉर्म में. Now our function whose maximum or minimum distance is calculated or to be calculated is this function, right? Which is deduced from the distance formula. So this is the relative maxima or minima which we have identified. So we construct a new function. Capital F is equal to f plus lambda phi. What is lambda? Lambda is Lagrangian undetermined multiplier. F is जिसको मैक्सिमाइज या मिनिमाइज करना है. Phi is equation of a surface or a relation connected by the equation equal to 0. I hope all the points are understood well. How we can proceed ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now here how many equations are generated? 3 equations, because it is not converted into 2 variable. Del f by del x, del capital F by del x निकालना है, del f by del y and del f by del z. All these 3 terms are to be equated to 0. ठीक है. Noted down up to this?
Yes, sir.
So capital F will be small f plus lambda phi. Means what it will be? 170 minus 6x minus 8y minus 24z प्लस लैम्बडा इंटू क्या इक्वेशन है वो फाइ का एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस 1 and note down this differentiation then. So this differentiation will be like this, equate with 0. This differentiation will be equated to 0 like this. Note down the steps. If you see the derivative, it is like that. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
While differentiating with respect to x, y and z are kept constant, right? So -6 and यहाँ 2x lambda, बस इतना ही आएगा. While differentiating with respect to y, it will be -8 plus 2y lambda minus 24 plus 2z lambda equate to 0. The rule says that del f by del x equal to 0, del f by del y equal to 0, del f by del z equal to 0. But are you getting the values of x, y, z prominently?
No, sir.
They are getting in the form of lambda. Now पहला काम मुझे क्या करना है? I have to determine lambda, because lambda निकल गया तो x, y, z निकल जाएगा. So which equation will give you the value for lambda? This surface will give you the value for lambda. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. So 9 plus 16 plus 144 by lambda square equal to 1. So lambda comes out to be 13 plus minus 13. 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now y plus minus, because it is a point coordinate again, right? So coordinate can be positive as well as negative. So therefore I have taken it as plus minus. So what will be x? Plus minus 3 by 13. What will be y? Plus minus 4 by 13. What will be z? Plus minus 12 by 13. I hope these steps are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये लिख लिया ना, del f by del x equal to 0, del f by del y equal to 0, del f by del z equal to 0. How you got the value for x, y and z?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So x is equal to plus minus 3 by 13, y is equal to plus minus 4 by 13, z is equal to plus minus 12 by 13. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is your distance formula? Distance formula is x minus 3 the whole square, right? Plus y minus 4 the whole square plus z minus 12 whole square, right? Is this the distance formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
D square is given by this x minus 3 whole square. Now out of this, how many values are there? Two values are there, 3 by 13 and other value is minus 3 by 13. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
All of you have noted down up to values x, y and z.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now listen to what I'm saying carefully. अभी मुझे निकालना है maximum distance and minimum distance. Now there are no two different formulae, only one formula is there to calculate the distance. x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 12 whole square. बट मैक्सिमम कब निकलेगा और मिनिमम कब निकलेगा? प्लस माइनस क्या होता है बेटा?
Minus.
माइनस. प्लस माइनस इज माइनस मीन्स वैल्यू इज रिड्यूस्ड. माइनस माइनस क्या होता है?
Plus.
माइनस माइनस इज प्लस मीन्स वैल्यू इज इंक्रीज. और माइनस का स्क्वायर क्या होता है?
Plus.
प्लस. डिस्टेंस कभी नेगेटिव होता है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. एंड आफ्टर ऑल एवरी टर्म कंटेन्स होल स्क्वायर. तो भले ही माइनस में आंसर रहा तो भी माइनस का स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तो मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस लेने के लिए मुझे एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट प्लस लेना है कि माइनस लेना है?
Minus.
माइनस लेना है. क्यों? बिकॉज माइनस माइनस वो कैसे निकलने वाला है? ज्यादा लेंगे वैल्यू. पॉजिटिव वैल्यू क्या होगा? प्लस माइनस माइनस. यानी आपका डिस्टेंस कैसा होने वाला है? लेस होने वाला है. राइट?
Yes, sir.
वन. राइट? बट minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Right? Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2, if I take positive value as 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 1. If I take negative value minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 25.
25.
Means for maximum distance I have to consider x as negative coordinate. For minimum distance I have to consider x as positive coordinate. Did you get the difference?
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज डिस्टेंस
sir.
फॉर्मूला तो एक ही है. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला दो तीन नहीं है मेरे पास. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला एक ही है. पर मैक्सिमम निकालने के लिए आई शुड कंसिडर ऑल नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. मिनिमम निकालने के लिए आई शुड कंसिडर ऑल पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज. गॉट द डिफरेंस?
Yes, sir.
या दिस इज द पॉइंट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू. लिखो 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर 1 आएगा. माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर 25 रहेगा. So this is how it will be calculated. Note down the maximum distance and the minimum distance in the distance formula. Yes, note it down.
Yes, sir.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ,
सर वो -12/13 -12 होगा ना?
sorry, yes, minus 12 by 13 minus 12 minus 12 by 3 13, sorry 13 चाहिए ना?
यस
हाँ.
सर.
minus 12 by 13 minus 12 whole square. 3 4 12 was the point ना? बराबर है डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला?
यस सर.
yes. minus 12 by 13 minus 12 whole square. So नेगेटिव वैल्यू के साथ वैसा होगा. minus 12 by 13 minus 12 whole square. So this comes out to be 14 units. Distance is मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, किलोमीटर नहीं पता तो यूनिट्स लिख देंगे, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कम्स आउट टू बी 12 यूनिट्स. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
finished everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question. Show that the rectangular solid of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere is a cube. यह word underline करिएगा, inscribed in a sphere. Inscribed in a sphere. I hope the earlier question is completed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So distance, maximum distance you have noted down as 14 and minimum distance is 12. With the same distance formula, but with the varying coordinates, we have got the maximum distance and the minimum distance. Clear up to this? यहां तक हो गया क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Note down the next question. Show that rectangular solid of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere is a cube. Show that the rectangular solid of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere is a cube. See, inscribed means it is inside, right? The word, the meaning of inscribed is it is inside,
Yes, sir.
right? So accordingly, whenever that particular rectangular solid is inscribed in a sphere, the edges, see, I take the point as xyz for the dimensions. आपको dimensions निकालना है यहाँ पर. Rectangular solid of maximum volume, क्या maximum दिखाना है?
Volume.
Volume कैसे? What is the formula for volume? X into y into z, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is equation of a sphere given by x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square in general?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
एंड
sir.
वो डायमेंशंस क्या दिखना चाहिए? इक्वल दिखना चाहिए, तभी वो क्या बन जाता है? क्यूब.
Cube.
Right? So that is what the meaning of the question is. Rectangular solid which is having maximum volume and is inscribed in a sphere should be a cube. And what is the peculiarity between the cuboid and cube? Cube is having all dimensions same. Rather, cuboid is having the different dimensions labeled as L, B and H. So volume of cuboid is LBH. Volume of cube is L into L into L, that is L cube, right? Inscribed, whenever I'm taking, the edges becomes positive coordinate as well as negative coordinate. See, if I'm taking this x coordinate, ये यहाँ तक है, cut to cut till the edges, and this line is also to this end. So complete distance कितना होगा ये? Instead of x, it will be 2x. One of the side is plus x, other side is minus x. तो complete distance कितना होता है? 2x. So this you need to remember whenever the word inscribed is used, rather than taking the dimensions as simply x, y, z, you have to take the dimensions edges as 2x, 2y and 2z. अभी आप बोलोगे why it is 2x, 2y, 2z? See in the figure. Inscribed means it is cut to cut fit into the sphere. So if I consider this point as x, one of the coordinate is up to this level, other coordinate is on the negative side of origin. So this distance is minus y, this distance is y. In total पूरा कितना कवर हो गया है? एज आपका 2y है ना. अरे डिस्टेंस कभी नेगेटिव नहीं रहता. डिस्टेंस माइनस साइन शोज दैट इट इज लेफ्ट ऑफ द ओरिजिन, बट यूनिट्स कितना है? y यूनिट्स है. सो y यूनिट्स प्लस y यूनिट्स टोटल कितना डिस्टेंस हो जाता है? 2y. Similarly, yeah, similarly it will be for the other coordinates also. because the edges are to be taken cut to cut. So ये यहां से यहां तक का पूरा जो distance है x and minus x. So what will be the edges over there? 2x.
2x.
And similarly for the z. So whenever the word inscribed is used, you need to remember that instead of taking dimensions x, y, z, you need to take the dimensions as 2x, 2y, and 2z. That is how. That is the justification or the explanation why you have to take. So let x, y, z be one of the corner. Faces of the solid are parallel to x, y, y, z, and zx. So other corners are plus minus x, plus minus y, plus minus z, and hence edges becomes 2x, 2y, 2z, and therefore these are the length, breadth, and height. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finished up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the volume? Volume will be V is equal to 2x into 2y into 2z. So what it becomes? 8xy z. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
If r is the radius of the sphere, then equation of a sphere is given by x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. But this can be written as phi of xyz is x square plus y square plus z square minus r square. Right? So आपका फंक्शन हो गया वॉल्यूम v x y 8xyz और phi कितना हो गया x square plus y square plus z square minus r square equal to 0. F is equal to v plus lambda phi, है ना? मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम दिखाना है, तो वॉल्यूम विल बी हियर f small f, capital V volume will be playing the role of small f here
Yes, sir.
because find the maximum volume बोला है. Note down the steps. 8xyz plus lambda into this. डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे अगर एंड इक्वेट करेंगे तो ये सब होता है. So you can verify it later. Just now you write down the steps. Del f by del x equated to 0. You get the first equation. Del f by del y equated to 0 after calculating the derivative. And del f by del z equated to 0. ठीक है? So we get this. Abhi what is missing over here? X is missing, so multiply by x. So this becomes 2 lambda x square is equal to minus 8xyz. सबको minus 8xyz बना देंगे. And there we see the dimensions comes out to be same. X equal to y equal to z. Clear? When you differentiate with respect to x, this whole expression del f by del x equated to 0 will give you this. When you differentiate this del f with respect to y and equated to 0 will give you this. But now how to find out the value? X is missing here, y is missing, z is missing. Multiply them correspondingly. All the RHS are equal. LHS are same. So 2y 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 हट गया, क्या बचा? x square equal to y square equal to z square. It is giving you x equal to y equal to z. When all the dimensions or points are same, what it is called as? Cube.
Cube.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is what the logic is to find out the value. सिमिलर काइंड का ये एग्जांपल है जहां पर इंस्क्राइब्ड इन इलिप्सॉइड बोला है. इन द अर्लियर क्वेश्चन इट वाज इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ स्फीयर, हियर इट इज इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ इलिप्सॉइड. नोट डाउन. The earlier solution is clear. Over. Note down the next. Using Lagrange, completed up to this. Rectangular solid is a cube. Is this over? The solution of the previous.
Yes, sir.
Note down the next
Yes, sir.
question. It is of the similar kind. Use Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier to find the volume of largest rectangular parallelopipe that can be inscribed in the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. या फिर वॉल्यूम इज गिवन बाय 8 abc अपॉन 3 रूट 3. ऐसा क्वेश्चन रह सकता है. ठीक है. So what will be the dimensions over here? Inscribed बोला है तो yes, the dimensions will be 2x 2y 2z. Volume becomes 8xyz. What is equation of ellipsoid given by x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to -1 equal to 0. So a is equal to क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर? a upon root 3. b is equal to y is equal to b upon root 3 and z is equal to c upon root 3. ठीक है. Neglect the negative sign because dimension cannot be negative. बराबर है.
Yes, sir.
In the earlier also when you took the square root, dimension is never negative. Only consider the positive values. तो यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 8 abc upon 3 root 3. ठीक है. So that is the hint for you. In the similar way you need to calculate and get the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Noted down this hint, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Using Lagrange's method, did you complete? Yes. Over. Next question. The temperature T at any point xyz in the space is T is equal to 400 xyz square. Find highest temperature at the surface of a unit sphere using Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. What is surface or sphere? What is surface or the equation given to you? Sphere. So this will be your phi. This will be your small f. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So find out this, identify, construct a function, go on writing down the steps. Later on you can go through them and understand what we have solved, right? Process is clear now. No need to go into the detail of the solution. Completed with the question? The temperature T at any point xyz in space is T is equal to 400 xyz square. Find the highest temperature at the surface of a unit sphere. Unit sphere means whose radius is equal to 1, using Lagrange's method of undetermined multiplier. So whenever we have an equation of a surface can be equated to 0, we consider it as phi. टेम्परेचर फंक्शन जो मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर या हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर निकालना है, that is T of xyz 400 xyz square. So our function becomes T plus lambda phi. ठीक है? Calculate del f by del x, del f by del y by del f by del z. Now whatever is missing over here is multiply by x, multiply by y and add them together. That is how the procedure will be. Note down the steps. Clear? Kindly note down the steps one after the other. Del f by del x is equal to 400 yz square plus 2x lambda equal to 0. Then multiply this equation by x. Second equation multiply by y. Third equation multiply by z. Add them. क्या मिलेगा? Lambda will be equal to this minus 800 xyz square. ठीक है? So accordingly, we will be having the value of lambda as this. X comes out to be plus
Yes,
minus
sir.
half, y comes out to be plus minus half, z comes out to be plus minus 1 upon root 2. ठीक है? Just remember the values, get the answer. Temperature will be 50 degrees centigrade. Okay?
Yes, sir.
From this you can determine. See, ठीक है? इस पर से आपका वैल्यू मिलेगा. Put lambda over here. ठीक है? So आपका वैल्यू मिलेगा फिर आपको x, y and z. So t comes out to be this. Completed?
Yes, sir.
The last example related to Lagrange's method. Shall we move? Last example, 2-3 steps only remaining. That's it. Fine. Noted down all the steps. You can verify it later. In case of any difficulty, contact me. ठीक है? The values are clear. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The last example. Find the dimensions of rectangular box open at the top of maximum capacity whose surface area is this. Find the dimensions of rectangular box open at the top of maximum capacity whose surface area is 432 square centimeter. Find the dimensions of the rectangular box open at the top. Find the dimensions of the rectangular box open at the top of maximum capacity whose surface area is 432 square centimeter. See, previously in maxima minima also we have done one example, right? जिसमें maximum volume दिया हुआ था and required least material for the construction बोला था, right? But here what is given? We have to calculate the volume which will be maximum. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
And surface area is given. So how to generate the equation phi of xyz from the given value 432, right? So how is surface area when it is open at top?
XY plus 2 into YZ plus 2 into...
Yes, yes. So this will be your phi and this will be your volume V.
Yes, sir.
So let xyz be the dimensions of open rectangular tank. V will be xyz, S will be xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, which is 432. So how to construct the function? F is v plus lambda s, है ना? ये कैसे होगा? minus 432 equal to 0 हो सकता है. So this will be xyz plus lambda into xy plus 2yz plus 2zx minus 432, right?
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंशिएट. आप आंसर नोट डाउन करो क्या आना चाहिए आफ्टर सॉल्विंग. x equal to y equal to 12 and z is equal to 6.